Want to know exactly what your competitors are doing without breaking the law? AI makes it stupid easy. Let me show you on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright. Find out what tech powers your competitor's website. Go to Wappalyzer or BuiltWith, type in their domain, and boom, you see everything. Email platforms, ad trackers, CRMs. They're using HubSpot. They're all about inbound marketing. Got Hotjar, obsessed with user tracking behavior. This tells you where they're investing. Now, second, find their best content. Next, you head to BuzzSumo or SimilarWeb. These tools show you their top performing blogs, videos, and social posts. The stuff that's getting the most traffic. Your move? Take that idea and make it better. Outrank them, outperform them. Want to see the ads they're running right now? Go to the Meta ad library or the TikTok ads library, type in their name, and you'll see everything. Their ad copy, creative, even how long they've been running each ad. They're testing 10 versions of one ad. Guess what? That ad is making them money. Pay attention. Lastly, check out their traffic sources. SimilarWeb and SEMrush break it down for you. Are they crushing it with SEO, running heavy paid ads, partnering with affiliates? This tells you exactly where to focus your marketing instead of just guessing. And that's it. AI-powered competitor research in under a minute. Quick, legal, and way smarter than winging it. Try it and thank me later. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute.